Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreyashi and I'm a software engineer by profession, and I like to make videos on skincare, travel, lifestyle and food. Since the winters are going on and strong, I thought of sharing my winter body care routine. I love winters, but it also comes with a lot of dryness, a lot of flakiness all over my body because I'm a big dry skin girl. So I thought, let me not gatekeep any of these tips and tricks and all the body care products that I use, save my skin from this harsh winter so that I can have a glowy skin ready to flaunt in the summer months. In general, my body care routine is very simple. Less is more is my philosophy. This is what I've discovered over the years, that we don't really need 100,000 products to maintain our skin. Hence, I use minimal products, but in this video I'm going to be sharing all my hair care products as well as my body care products. So let's get started. Starting with my body washes, I like to use body wash. I don't like to use soap. For body wash, I use this one from Dove. Sometimes this is their shea butter and vanilla flavor. It's so good. This is my go-to body wash basically. I have it in my bathroom and it's really big, so I haven't brought it out. But this is like one of the best body washes available, and Dove does amazing body care products. So there's no going wrong with that. And the other body washes, which are like exfoliating in nature, have like salicylic acid or lactic acid. This is their acne clear. Helps me keep the body acne at bay. And also this one from Chemist and Play. I have been loving this. I've been using this more than a year now and I love this. This has got 4% lactic acid plus salicylic acid, and I just rotate between the two and the Dove body wash. I don't use the same body wash every day. I feel like there's no newness in that, hence I have to keep rotating between the body washes every day. Now coming on to the body scrubs, this is one of my favorite body exfoliator. This again from Dove. I wasn't lying when I said that Dove does amazing body care products. So this one is their sugar and coconut butter flavor, and this is so gorgeous. See, I've not emptied a lot, but it just smells so amazing. I could literally eat it up because it's like brown sugar. It gives the vanilla vibe as well, and this has like 3 dots completely. So this is like the highest level of exfoliator that Dove makes. They have 1, 2 and 3. So this one is the highest, most exfoliating. I like to exfoliate twice a week and it works perfectly well. It hydrates also my skin because it has coconut butter, but it really gets rid of that dead skin cells. See, when people say that you don't really need exfoliation during the winter months, it's quite the opposite, because in winter months, first your skin is dry and your skin is flaky, and since you have dry and flaky skin, more dead skin cells get deposited on your body. Hence, it's really important to exfoliate, if not more, but the same amount as you do exfoliate in other months of the year. So very, very amazing. This is from Dove. Cleansing none, exfoliation none. Now the most important part is the moisturization. Now in summer months, I like to go for like a lighter moisturizer with SPF in it. Since in winter months I'm already like fully covered, I don't really need the SPF on my body, especially unless and until I'm wearing something which exposes my body parts. Hence, I go for my trusted and most favorite body lotion, which is this one from Nivea. This is their Body Milk 48-hour Intense Moisturizer. This is the most amazing. I've been using it for years now, like since time immemorial I've been using this. I like to pair it up with a body oil. See, I'm not a body oil person, especially in summers, because I don't feel like the feel it gives my body, because it's very like oily, and when it gets onto my clothes and anywhere I sit, I can see the patches of oil. Hence, I really avoid using body oil on its own. But what I do like to do is pair it up with the body moisturizer. So I take like 2 to 3 drops of the body oil and pair it up with this body moisturizer. Recently, I've been using this one from Johnson's Baby. It's the OG body oil, right? So I just take 2 to 3 drops of this Johnson's Baby oil, mix it up with my moisturizer and just apply it all over my body. And honestly, my skin has never felt better. I also like to use other types of body oils, but this one is like a completely fragrance free combo. This doesn't have fragrance, this doesn't have fragrance. If I do want to get some sort of fragrance, I have this one from Forest Essentials. This one I got a really small bottle because I wanted to try it out. This is the Oud. I love Oud. Oud is my favorite of all the fragrances. So this one, Oud and green tea, it smells divine. So I'll take 2 to 3 drops of it, mix it with my moisturizer, and then just apply it all over my body. Another one, the small one that I got, is this one from Ohria Ayurveda. This is their rose and pomegranate shower oil. You can also see some rose petals inside, right? And this one, so good, smells so good. But again, 2 to 3 drops of this mixed with my body lotion, and my body is moisturized, my body is completely hydrated, and my body smells divine. This is when I am not using any kind of fragrance. But if I'm using like just the Johnson's baby oil and the Dove oil, I go ahead in the winter months and layer only my hands and like my upper body with this one. This is from Victoria's Secret. This is their Bare Vanilla fragrance lotion, and I love it. It is so good, so good. I mean, every time I just want to keep applying this all over my body all the time, and I love it so much. This is like one of my most favorite fragrance from Victoria's Secrets. Of course, there are other ones. I love their perfumes, but like for everyday use, when you are at home, you're not going out or anything, you apply this. I follow it up with my Bare Vanilla body mist. It's, again, this combo is to die for. Like, honestly, this is what I really apply when I'm at home and I don't have to go out. If I do have to go out, I'll then follow it up with a perfume. That's it. This is my entire body care routine. Nothing extra. My lotion, my cleanser, I wash my body, I exfoliate twice a week, I apply body moisturizer with a little bit of body oil every single day all over my body, and then I go in with this combo set of just applying this on my upper body, especially hands. Just that's it, my hands, and then a body mist. That's it. This is as simple as it could get, right? Moving on to my hair care routine. There's nothing like extra that I like to do during the winter months. My hair do get dry. My hair are like fine. I have fine hair, and I'm also experiencing some hair fall right now. So when I'm experiencing hair fall, I do not go in with a hair oil, because you know what hair oil does? It weighs the hair down. If you apply hair oil onto your already falling down hair, they're already weak, you're applying hair oil, it'll come down faster. Hair oil that I use is this one from Avimi Herbals. This is their Kesha Pallav handmade hair oil. This has got a lot of good things. It's very Ayurvedic. It has Brahmi, it has Bringaraj, it has hibiscus, so many different things. Very good. It comes with this comb like structure, so you can actually put it very nicely and thoroughly in your scalp. You should not apply hair oil before going to shower or before you're showering your hair or head, because your head is already dirty and you don't want to like help that yeast grow more. Hence you should apply hair oil after you have showered. For my shaft, I use this one. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. So this is like a hair oil serum. I don't really style my hair a lot. You might have just understood that by now, that I don't style my hair. But if I do, I have a blow dry comb at home. So I take a few drops of this and just apply it on my shaft, and so that it's heat protected. And it also helps in frizziness. Now for my shampoo, this has been my go-to since past 7 years now. This is my favorite shampoo. I have not changed it. I do not intend to change it. This is for dry, flaky scalp, anti-dandruff. So I do get a lot of flaky scalp, and whenever I try to switch from this one, or I've like even for once or twice I've used some other shampoo, my flakiness comes back again. Hence I go back to this, and I have not been able to let go of this one. I hope Body Shop never stops making this. This is my favorite shampoo. I shampoo 2 to 3 times a week depending on how much workout I have gotten in. Thing that you can do for your dry, flaky scalp is use a glycolic acid. This is from Ordinary. Just take it and apply it onto your scalp and leave it. Can be done pre, can be done post shower, doesn't matter. So just take this and apply it all over your scalp so that it's exfoliated and the dryness and flaky scalp is gone. Now there are 2 things that I like to do alternately. One is hydrating with a conditioner. I use this one from L'Oreal. This is my 5th or 6th bottle, I don't know. But I use this 72-hour moisture sealing conditioner from L'Oreal Paris. This is their hyaluronic acid variant. Works really wonderfully. And I also once a week put mask in my hair. When I'm using a mask, I do not use conditioner. So this one is from Pilgrim. This is their argan oil hair mask with white lotus and camellia. This is a wonderful mask and it also smells very nice, so I really like it. And so I just alternate between the two for hydrating my hair. It's very important to condition your hair after you have washed it. This is something that one of my hairstylists told me. And why is it important to put conditioner? Because when you wash your hair hair shaft opens up, the pores of your hair open up, and condition helps to seal that pores that have opened up in your hair. And that is why if you do not seal it, if you do not close it with a conditioner, then it will lead to a lot of split ends, and we don't want that. Hence it's very important to just apply conditioner every time you wash your hair. So yeah, this was it. This was my entire body routine, especially for the winter months. If it's summer, I do not do anything extra apart from using body oil all over my body during the winter months. But yeah, even like in summer months when I'm going out to somewhere, I'll use that fragrance one, the small ones that I showed, and apply it, mix it with my body moisturizer and apply it. But the only difference is I use the SPF body lotions during the winter month, during the summer months a lot rather than the winter months. So that's the only difference that there is. That was it. That was my entire body care routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any other products that you would like to share with me, or if you use, please comment down below and I'd be really happy to read them all. I will see you very soon with another video. Until then, bye bye.